Hey guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I got my boyfriend, aka Sam. If you haven't seen our boyfriend tag, go watch that. But I got him to do my makeup and this is the look. So if you want to see how he did this, then keep on watching. So let's start with the makeup. I gave him a lot of products that he can choose from. So let's see how this goes. He's rummaging. We'll see how this is gonna go. He's taking his time. So he's gonna start with what? What are you starting with?
I'm starting with the stick.
What stick? Oh, he knows. Yeah, it's a primer. Primer, yeah.
The chapstick.
Oh, this is hot. Why are you being so
everywhere?
rough with me? Yeah. Why are you putting it on my eyebrows?
So you need eyebrow stuff?
What does that even mean?
I didn't know.
He started twisting it and stuff started flying off. You just made a huge mess on that. Oh my god. He's smearing it.
Yeah, and then I dab it.
Okay.
I'm good, okay?
You're like swiping it.
Chills, I know what I'm saying.
Okay. It's not as easy as you think, huh?
It's pretty easy.
Oh.
I don't know why it takes you so long.
Because I don't swipe it around like you do.
I'll get this done in like 5 minutes.
Why am I so white? Like, I'm confused.
Because you're just white.
You're still blended?
Yep.
Ow.
Doesn't it come over your eyes and stuff?
Okay. I think you're good. I'm done. Okay.
Really? Alright, next.
Next, he says. Next.
Do I just dab this one?
It's just a stick, babe.
Do I have to dab it?
It doesn't matter. You don't know where to put it?
You're so unorganized. It's just hard to find this stuff.
Did you all hear that? Don't take too much.
Well, I don't think it's gonna show up.
Oh, the light feathers.
Oh, I'm fucked up. It's just the eyebrows that are gonna be bad.
What is going on? No, you can use your other hand, right?
I'm not good with my left hand. That's nice. I just don't like eyebrows being done anyway. I think it looks weird.
Bushy. Bushy. Really? You're calling it a day now?
What do you mean?
Mascara usually comes last, but it's okay. You don't want to do powder or blush or
not come last?
contour. Whatever you want. You do it the way you want.
Bronzer. Let's do
Ooh.
it.
Bronzer. Are you sweeping my face? Sure. Well, let's say I do.
Come back.
She's contoured up. She is bronze.
What is this?
Blush.
I don't want that. You have way more stuff than this. Where's the other stuff?
This is stuff I use every day. This is all the stuff I use.
Where's the highlight stuff? Oh, I thought this was eye stuff.
Decides what color he's feeling. You want me to be like...
Am I looking?
He knows where it goes.
It's not really coming on the brush.
That's like way more than enough.
Yeah, you can't even see it.
Then you might need to use a different color.
Well, what's the point of having multiple colors when you can only use one?
Oh.
Okay, it just looks pasty.
Oh. Okay.
You gotta get better products if you want to do a good job. I'll go to this.
That's powder. I don't know why I keep telling you.
This one again? This one. You just said, what one? Just tell me. I don't know what one you're talking about.
Oh, my highlight is popping. I can see it.
And it just goes everywhere?
Yeah, it's just powder. Are you gonna do eyeshadow and stuff?
If you want.
Well,
are you gonna like wear this?
No.
What
well,
if it's good?
If it's good, yes. How about that?
Okay. So yeah.
Are you done the eyebrows already?
Yeah.
Wow.
Take 2 seconds.
I pasty?
Alright.
Kinda. We're Gucci. Are you trying to cut your toe with your fingernails with that?
Okay. Yeah. It goes like this, right? Oh, this way. This way.
Yeah.
I don't do the bottom ones, right?
No. Oh, you're like stabbing me in the mouth and stuff.
What does this even do? It didn't even do anything.
Maybe it's because you don't know how to.
This one?
I gave you 2 options. I gave him the Kylie palette and then a NYX palette. Oh.
My bad.
It's fine. Okay, where are you putting this? Where are you putting the color?
On your eye.
I'm talking like, what part of my eyelid?
Didn't know there's different parts of your eyelid.
Well, there's crease, there's an inner corner, outer corner,
Just all
lid.
over.
Okay. So it's just an all over eye look?
Well, you just gotta start with the base.
Oh.
Can you close your eye?
My eye is
Well,
closed.
I can't do it when you open your eye trying to look. Okay. Stop.
Ow.
Sorry.
My neck.
My back. Okay. I don't know what to put. Do some of this one.
That'd be cool.
Do some of this one.
This guy's really going in.
It like flew like down here, the eyeshadow stuff.
Okay, so you know what you do with that?
What?
You take a brush and you swipe it away.
Wow.
Just one stroke.
That's all you need. Bye bye.
No, we'll get rid of it. Okay, I'm so scared right now.
Well, stop moving your eye.
I'm not moving my eye. Oh.
Oh. Well, then stop moving.
I'm scared.
Okay, look at me. It's gonna get messed up hard. Do I need to dip it back in?
No.
Get more stuff on it?
You don't need to get those.
Oh. Looks fucked up. Okay, next one.
Oh god. You shouldn't use that hand, I don't think.
You switch hands?
Yeah. Sometimes. It all depends.
It's gonna be bad.
Oh, I'm just scared.
Oh, told you it's gonna be bad with this hand.
Conceal it. Take some concealer.
Then it's gonna mess up all the nice colors.
So you just want a big thing of black on my eye?
Well,
It's fine.
gotta deal with it now. Okay.
Okay, do you want to do lipstick or anything?
Okay. I think I did actually a nice job.
Put your finger up. So I got this Marc Jacobs one. I got this Revlon one.
What is this? Why is it so little?
It's a mini size. And I got some bright colors if you're
I'm
feeling
gonna do this one.
Okay. He's doing the Marc Jacobs. I'm fed up. Oh.
Cool. Alright, now. You gotta whop it around so it gets everywhere. What do you mean? What are you doing?
What am I doing?
You gotta...
No, that's like with lip gloss. You gotta like get all the angles going. Okay. Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Did you do a good job?
Not really.
So what do you think, how do you think you did?
Not good.
Why are you so down on yourself? Did you go on a date with me like this?
Yeah.
What did you do to my eyebrows?
I told you, those are the only things that aren't looking good.
Okay, so contour is a little patchy. I don't know what you did to my eyebrows.
Your cheek looks swollen.
A highlight's like super bright. Not too bad. Lipstick, one of my lips is like cut off.
I know.
Which is okay. Eyeshadow's not too bad. I don't know what you did with the mascara, but there's like my hairline. You can literally see where like the foundation stops, but I think you did okay. Sam's in another video. If you want to see him more, then comment down below. And I will see you in my next video.
See ya.
Can you just pretend you like me, Fonz? Bye.